How to poke someone on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can poke someone on Facebook. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So first thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. So after you open up your Facebook, head over to the search bar on the top and search for So after you're on Facebook, head over to the search bar on the top, tap on search, and now all you need to do is search for poke. After you search for poke, tap on search and you will see an option called pokes. Now as it says on the description, poke your friends and see who has poked you. All you need to do is head over to pokes, and here you will be able to just search for anyone that you want to poke. And after you find the poke option or the friend that you want to poke, tap on poke. Now I have already poked my friends, so now they will need to poke me back. So that is basically how you can poke someone on Facebook. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.